This is how to trade gold on Moomoo. Once you guys open up Moomoo, go to the bottom bar and then select the markets icon in between accounts and watch lists. Once markets is selected, if you were to scroll down past global indices, index futures, etc., you will come across commodities. And then if you see gold right here, go ahead and select it. If you don't see it, you can press the arrow. And then you can find gold again. So if you were to scroll down, you can find gold under metals right here and then select it. Once you're on the golds page right here, you can invest or I guess trade gold in a variety of different ways. You can do some options trading, you can do ETFs, etc. So for this example, there's futures as well. I'm just going to go ahead and select ETFs. Then once you're here, you can find a whole bunch of different ETFs that you can actually buy, and that'll be, gold ETFs. So there's a bunch of different ETFs here. So for example, in this demonstration, I will just use ticker symbol GLD. Once you have your gold ETF selected, you can go to the bottom left and select trade, or you can select the options button as well. But I would just select trade for this example and then press buy. So once you're on this page right here, you can edit the order type to market in this case or limit whatever you want to do. You can then switch between shares and dollars. So for example, if you wanted to buy one share, it'll then show you the amount. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed with the purchase, you can then press buy. So that is how you guys can trade gold here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.